Hi, thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. In today's video, we will create a very simple weather app in the web using the WeatherStack API. Our app can get the weather data in 10 cities from 10 different countries. So here is the website of the WeatherStack API. You can sign up for a free account. Now after logging into our account, we can generate our API key. This key will be used on every request in the API. The Weather API will return a weather data in JSON format. This is the information we need in our weather web app. Now let's create the app.js. This is where we put our main code for the weather app. Let's install Express, Exressjs and EJS packages. Now let's configure the Express server and set its port to 3000. And now we will set the Express server's view engine into EJS. Now it's time to create the home root of our weather app. We will return the index.html file. Next step is to require the Axios library. Axios is a promise-based HTTP client for Node.js and the browser. Then we will store our WeatherStack API key into a constant variable. Next step is to set up a route that will render the requested weather for a certain city. I will use an async function as parameter to this route. I will then use Axios to get the data from the WeatherStack API with the await keyword. Lastly, we will render the EJS template named weather providing the weather data from the Axios GET request. Next step is to create the index.html in the WeatherEJS template. Now I will just copy the codes I have written for the index.html file. The main purpose of this page is to have the user select a country and a city within that country, then reroute the page to the weather endpoint. Now let us code the WeatherEJS template. I will use Bootstrap for the styling, but I will add some custom CSS to arrange our HTML elements neatly. Now we will use just 5 properties or data from the weather data response object. I will use the request.query, location.localtime, current.temperature, current.weather descriptions and the weather icons. You can use other properties as needed. Now it's time to test our work and run the app.js file. Let's select a country and a city. So that's it. That's how you can create a simple weather app with the help of the WeatherStack API. You can read the API's documentation to extend the app we have created. I hope you have learned something in this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks.